Well, hey guys, Scott with BWSR Bushcraft here. Today is April 3rd, Monday, 2023. Just wanted to stop by and show you a little bit about what I was doing. Today I am making, or this afternoon, close to the evening actually, I'm using the little 2-inch with the dibbles in there to make some soil blocks for some cucumbers. Then make a nice little dibble for the big cucumber seed. And what I'm going to do is set up another rack of these in here because I'm going to do some more tomatoes. These tomatoes I have just got to get into the wicking tubs, but I want to start some more. So at any rate, I got my own formula I've been doing. Just thought I'd do a short little video. Wanted to kind of showcase a little bit of an idea for you. I've had these trays. There's plastic trays that fit down in here, and they got this really cool little recess and stuff. But what it is, I got this idea that because I wanted to have a tray for the blocks. There's commercially available trays that you can kind of set down in there with these blocks on it and the wicking mat, but I'm just not going to spend that kind of money, and you don't have to either. If you got trays, plastic trays, a bottom tray like this, and the same thing is, it's just a tray, and other plastic trays, you can make one of these, self-wicking trays for your stuff. So I got the capillary mat, cut it to size, got some 1/2-inch hardware cloth, cut that to size, and as you can see, these 2 inchers fit perfectly in there. The humidity dome will go on top, and this stuff will be up in no time. These go on a heat mat inside the grow tent. I'll get them up and going and get them in the garden. By the time they're up and going, in about 2 weeks or whatever, enough to transplant, I'll have the boxes built and the other grow bags and stuff, everything, the troughs made. But just wanted to kind of throw that out there, show you what I did, hopefully give you some ideas. You can get this capillary, it's called capillary mat, online. And then of course the hardware cloth, pretty much anywhere. It's like $10. Anything metal now seems to be, oh gosh, off the chart for money. Just a 2-foot roll or whatever, 3-foot by 2 foot or whatever. You can use 1/4 inch. They didn't have 1/4 inch, so I got a 1/2 inch. And it's just perfect for these guys. I still believe too also that, in the little mini blocks that are 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch, I think they'll do just well here. But the whole concept is you want them up off that mat, and so there's air space in there, because remember when your plant starts growing, the roots, the concept of this soil block is you've already, you got a block of soil for that plant to grow in, and the roots won't get root bound, because as soon as they start kind of coming out here, they'll just air prune, and you'll have tons and tons of roots here. You just take this plug, boom, put it right in your square foot garden, in your grow bag, your bucket, wherever you want it. So at any rate, just wanted to show this, and just give a word of encouragement that no matter where you are viewing this video, you are loved, you are appreciated, and it is still time to get a garden in. Guys, I'm just here to say this. By the end of this summer, you're going to walk into a grocery store, it's already bad. They don't have anything, really, and what they do, it's just junk, it's garbage. Half of this so-called produce is nothing but, like cardboard painted green, flushed with nitrogen, man. I mean, forget it. So much easier to do this. Again, I've got organic seeds and stuff listed down in the description box below. Check them out if you're inclined to. And if anybody's interested in the homemade, secret soil sauce I'm using, ask for it, please. I'm not going to be putting it in the description box or anything anymore. People, if I get enough requests, I'll do a video on it, okay? And with that being said, we'll see how this stuff comes up. We'll keep tabs on it. So at any rate, guys, appreciate everyone. It's been Scott with BWSR Bushcraft. Till next time, pack light, pack tight, stay hydrated.